Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how to georeference an image in ArcGis. Yes, this is the image I have got with 4 known points. At least you must have 3 known points to georeference. Let's import this image into this window. Press OK. Let's zoom into layer. Now we have those points here. I got the coordinate of them. Yes. Then you can take the georeferencing toolbar here. Here now you can see georeferencing toolbar. Yes. I remove the tick auto edges. In this map, I can add control points by manually. Here is the point 1. Click left click on it. Then you can right click on it and input XY manually. Here now the coordinate of point 1. You can copy and paste it. Press OK. Then I go to point 2. Do the same here. Right click, left click, then right click. Press OK. Then I have 2 points. I go for the third point. Left click, right click, import XY data. The last point, fourth one. The same for that one also. Sorry. Then go for the update georeferencing. Let's see what has happened. Submit the layer here. The image. Now you can see the georeference image. this is my shapefile. Then I georeference my image here. Thank you for watching my video.